Hello my little angels. In today's video I'm going to do something different. I'm going to take you fabric shopping with me in London, and I'm going to transform the charity shop dress into a prom dress. Very glamorous. I'll take you to one of the cheapest places to get fabrics in London, which is Goldhawk Road or Shepherd's Bush Market. It's essentially the same place, but they're just separated by 2 stops. What I love about these shops is that you can bargain with them actually, and you can get the fabrics much cheaper if you know how to bargain with them, because they have a way of popping the prices up when they see customers that they're willing to buy it. And when I went into the shops, I didn't know what I was looking for, but I was hoping that I'd find something that speaks to me and grabs my attention. And that's the red fabric that I used to make my inspired Dior dress in my previous video. If you want to check it out, it will be linked in the down bar. And my favorite bit is the sparkly diamante trimmings. These are my favorite, but they don't have enough of them in these markets because they are so tailored to fabrics. They don't have any trimmings, they don't focus on that. So I found these and I love them. I did buy some, and that will be featured in my next videos. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I think this is going to be like the bottom of the dress. And I was thinking we're going to go sassy, we're going to go all glam. We're going to see how that goes. But they're just, look at all these. I'm going to go like this. Going to feel like a real bird. So I can cut these individually and place them, so I can give them more effect, and then that will go with this will go like this. So the dress that I bought, it was from the charity shop. It was from the night section, so it's very like silky. I think it's supposed to be like a nightie or like pajamas, and it's quite loose, so overnight you wouldn't want something too tight on your body. But I was thinking to make it slightly body hugging. Like, it has this hem, but it's like a cross, so it doesn't matter about that because we can fix it. But what I liked is this. I thought this one was quite nice, and it doesn't fit here quite well, but that's fine, we can change that. And this is what the back looks like, so quite nice and sexy. Very like Hugh Hefner. It has some creases. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. I started by placing the fabric on top of the dress and made sure it was symmetric, and then I started cutting around the flowers of the dress. And it's okay if the flowers are sticking out because I can cut them out and place them as I want to later on. And then I pinned it and make sure that the fabric doesn't move, and when I cut it on the other side, then the pattern will stay. As you can see, I'm placing the flowers as I want, and this side is where the zip opens and closes, and then I started doing the other side as well. So it doesn't matter, it's just a rough estimate, and then you can just replace the flowers as you want to, or any other pattern. And then I just took it to the sewing machine, and I made sure that when I sew, I get all the edges so they don't just flick out. And then I turned the dress inside out, and I just pinned some darts to reshape the dress because it was too big on me. And then you can see I'm having way too much fun with this feather dress. So I started adding the feathers, and I knew that I wanted to have a little slit at the front just to make it a bit more sexy.
and I just start playing with the feathers and just replacing them and pinning them. So I just did a straight line down on the feathers and the fabric underneath, just for it not to move. And I just cut individual flowers, and then I start placing them where I started the feathers, like that. And you just start sewing it, and you make sure that you get all the trimmings so the flowers don't flick off like I did with the top.
Right amount of length, and you can see that here I hardly did anything, so I just added these bits, and then I just added some so just got some, what it turned out. We have a few casualties of the feathers, but the dress is still going. And these are some casualties because I keep stepping on the dress. But again, we're gonna sway and sway and sway and sway and sway. But yeah, I matched it with some killer shoes that are gold that match my dress. And again, with the edging, I didn't want to show how I finished it, and I just added more flowers as it goes down, so it kind of goes in a looser fit. Again, I should have done it tighter, I think, to show that booty, to show that booty. Of course I would wear this, and I regret why didn't I make my own dress, but who knows, I can do it now, and I can still look fabulous on my day-to-day when I hoover and whilst I cry and tidy this house.